Hello, let's unbox the Sunnyboy Smart Energy in this video. The Sunnyboy Smart Energy comes with all the equipment listed in the scope of delivery. This information is available in the system manual. Once we have opened the packaging, the first thing we find is the applicable documentation for your device. We need to put this safely to one side. The lower part of the packaging contains the ferrite, and the upper part contains the terminals for the DC connection, the communication assembly, the cable ties, and a quarter Allen key. Opening up the packaging even more also reveals the side covers and the cable glands for the connections. Because of its light weight, you can simply lift the inverter out of the packaging. First, place the inverter down safely and leave the packaging on the enclosure in place to keep it safe until you are ready for installation. The last thing left in the packaging is the mounting bracket. You can now install and commission the inverter in accordance with the available documentation. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you need any further assistance, check out other tech tips on our channel or comment your questions below this video. Would you like to receive the latest tech tips on SMA products? Then subscribe to our channel.